Okay, Lamborghini time. This would be the fourth video in the series where I'm cleaning up my closet and putting in some of the cars into Plano cases. These are just cars I've never had room for or spots and like on my display areas. So we got a Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. I'm going to go through these fairly quickly. There's probably about 6 or 7 of these cars. There's that one. Lamborghini Huracan. I like the color on this, the kind of gray. You see a lot of cars kind of in real life like this kind of putty color now. This is a fairly light color. Here's another Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo. As I butcher the vocabulary or the pronunciation. There's that one. Let's see. Try to get a little further back. There we go. This is actually a red edition, so this would have come from Target. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. What year is this? 2017 on the box. On the package. Lamborghini Countach pace car. This is when they were doing the 50th. What year is this? 2017. Bought a lot of cars around 2015 to 16, 17. Kind of right in there. I was really going crazy. And then I kind of cut back to where I was just buying only, oh, I hate these. Tuned. This is a tuned Lamborghini. Countach. I'm not really a fan of the tuned version. They kind of make them a little squatty and over exaggerated. And this is the same as this green one. It's just different. It's just yellow. This is the alternate version. It's a yeller. So there we go. I'll get them put in the case. And like on these two, I will label the end of it.